Welcome back, people, to Wayne's Diecast Cars and Trucks and every other bit of diecast that I can think of. This is a bit different, this one. I think this is a pretty good idea. This is a 1998 Kenworth w900 big sleeper. And it's done up in like a breast cancer awareness type thing. I think it's pretty good. It does have some writing on there which I'll get to reading. I can read most of it. There's a little bit there that I can't make sense of, just because I'm no good with reading. Back of the box, got English up the top there. It's not much, just where it's from. And the hatchet part works. Brunswick Place, London, made in Bangladesh. There we go. Alright, so let's get this out and we'll have a look. Now these are not sort of reusable boxes, these ones. They're like those magazine models. So it's just a matter of rip that off. Put that back in there. That. Yes, unfortunately you can't pack these. Well, you can pack them back in, but a little awkward. So that's it there. Pretty good looking truck. It's got 2 screws on the bottom. It's just a multi-fit base. Let's look at the front. Got a few aerials up there. So we've got boobs up the front there. And what else we got written there? I'm trying to make sense of this. As I said, I'm not the best at reading. Where's my line? The lights are on. I think that there says trucking for a cure. I think trucking for a cure. I think that says. The ribbon along there through the door, like the heart, and then on the sleeper here, we've got West Coast Transportation up the top, and then we're going for all the women, sisters, wives, daughters, and BFFs. Who fought and to light, fought and something to light. So I'm not sure. Actually, will that work? Maybe. If you can read that there, well. Either way, yeah, it's just that one word that I can't read. I think it says save the boobies on the that toolbox door, and then we've got some other info of the trucking, the dot USA there. So I think that is pretty cool. I do like that. Something different. The one thing I don't like, which is normal, is the where they join the tanks, split along here. I don't like it. I think it looks terrible. I know on the Ford LTL 9000s they put the split on the top and bottom, not on the side. So I don't know why they can't do that with all the trucks. So I'll get this off the base and we'll have a bit more of a look. Which one? That one? Oh, this is right, hey. Alright, this one's used those bloody triangle shaped screw heads, which we had to go and buy a kit to do them. So I think it might be that one. Got to be careful of all those aerials there. Yeah, I think that's... Yep, that's it. It's that one. Now, where is the... over this side? Yeah, so I just went and picked up this little... I didn't go and get it, but just ordered it online. Yeah, the little kit there with multi-fit bloody heads and everything, so... yeah. Oh yeah, good job. Yeah, so I'm glad everyone likes all the truck videos that I do. As I do like trucks, and I do get a fair few. It's good that you like them. And I will have a couple of these on my eBay page, so go and check that out. That would definitely help. Just sit that there at the moment, move that out of the way. Alrighty, let's have a bit more of a look. How's it roll? Yeah, rolls pretty good. Tyres wobbly as normal, which they all are, which you just fix them up later. So, I'll see if this camera will focus good enough. Come on. Whether you guys can read that and work it out. So, yeah, but I think that's a good idea that they've done that. Alrighty, so we'll start up the front with this one. Very nice. Let me check that number plate is... Stop shaking. God. Is it Ontario? Yeah, it's Canada. Ontario, it's got. Grill. Very good, very nice. Good details, no problems at all there. Everything looks very good, even the pink Kenworth badge up there. That looks great. Really good job, spot on there. We've got transparent indicators on the guards there in orange. Windscreen looks fantastic. We do have a opening that goes through to the sleeper in the cab. See if we can get a torch here, and whether you can see in there. So there's nothing. Have they done? Oh yeah, I think they've done a couple of things in there. Just got to be careful. Can I see? Yeah, I think they got like a bed in there and some things. Actually, no, this is just, it's got seats. Looks like it's got seats along the back of it. So, yeah. Yeah, it looks like it's got seats in there. Either way, that's about the best I can do there with that one. So they've gone to the effort of doing something there anyway. On the roof here, we have plenty of marker lights, which are all chrome with a translucent orange. We have aerials, we've got two on each, or one on each mirror, and then one in the middle here. Air horns, we've got 4 of those. We've got our windows on the sleeper. Rims look very good. Again, pink chrome, not pink, yes pink, God, what am I saying? Badge, Kenworth logo here. And we've got all the chrome on the filters. We've got a separate grab rail here to get in. We also have lights up here too, work lights. Done really good with this one. Big stacks. Yeah. Tanks again with the split, which I don't like. And we've even got the rubber flap that goes on the back of the wings there for the sleeper. On the back we have another ribbon here, which is good, and two separate grab rails and some obviously lights there. I've got some fittings here, air and electrical, all the same colour though. Would have been good if they were slightly different colours. We've got our steps up here, a small deck plate, and then we have a cover over the turntable, so you can't actually hook anything up to this. That's sort of the actual thing. Like, it doesn't have a turntable with a cover on it. That's just how they've done it there. So you can't hook trailers up to this one. Full chrome guards, and in here we have details of all the arms and suspension components. Number plate in the back, all chrome with the lights, mud flaps here. They're just hard plastic, same as the guards. The passenger side here, everything's the same. Get on with that writing there. That is awesome. I do like that. They've done really well, I think, with that. Let me get that on the turntable for you. Alright, there we are, spinning around on the turntable. Give you a better look without my fat fingers in the way. Yeah, I think that's a pretty good idea. I do like that. Yeah, that they've done that for breast cancer. Which is not a good thing to have. The truck looks good. Definitely happy to add that to the collection. And you will be too if you get one. I think you will be pretty happy with it. Alrighty, well, let's end that video there. Check out the other ones popping up. Please like, comment, subscribe. Check out my eBay page, and we'll see you all on the next video. Bye for now.